Alright guys, we're continuing right where we left off. Whoa! Oh yeah, dude, she's on it. Oh yeah, dude, see? So probably throughout these videos you're gonna hear me talk about the carb. That's what it's all about, Lectron. Oh! And it's just pulling, dude. Look at that. Oh shit, coming in hot. Gotta get used to it though. Like I said, it's just pulling in certain areas where you're not used to. Woo! Woo! Coming in hot. Oh shit! Came into a nice rut right there. I'll just turn the idle up a little bit and see if we can get rid of that. It's like anything, you make an adjustment and you start like, oh shit, is that it? Is that it? But it could be just a clutch engagement. You know, I'm a little out on it and it's cutting the engine. Oh shit! Whoa! We're not holding back, but oh damn! Look at that! Woo! It's I don't know. Oh shit! As we start ripping, she gets on it, dude. It's a little boggy in certain gears, like when you get up to the high gears. But that's to be expected. I am like probably, like right now I am in like 4th. Gotta fix this purge. That was pretty much not full throttle, but you know, through every gears. Ripper right here. She might be a little lean though, dude. I mean, I'm not sure. Like real high speed. I might hear it pissing clacking, dude, or something. I'm just gonna leave it alone. See what happens. Oh shit! Oh yeah, she gets up, dude. Oh, damn! Freaking hey! I'll tell you what, right here, right now, she definitely rips. Oh! She definitely rips. It's like this straight consistent pull. Consistent pull, dude, straight up through the whole thing. Like first, second, third, fourth, fifth, as you're on it, she's pulling, dude. Pretty intense. Definitely, gotta get used to it. It's like a whole different feel. Yeah, whole different feel. See, yeah, she's spitting out the muffy, but like I said, she could be full of oil. It's kind of weird, huh? Look at the float bowl. Well, it's leaned over, so let's see. Oh yeah, she's full. That's pretty gnarly. See the little float bowl in there, you see the gas. But yeah, initial impressions, I'm telling you, second video right here, if you guys watched the previous one, she rips, dude. High speed, it's like she runs out of gear like that, because I got her geared kind of low. Because like I said, I don't really like high speed stuff. I like that single on the peg standing like wah 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 wah. You know, that's what I like. So smash that like button, subscribe, share this video. We out here ripping. Peace, guys.